The fact is, I know when I'm looking for something, the first place I go is Google. I think having that PPC showing up there in the results for the right people at the right time is something that no business can ignore. My name is Rachel Connors, and I live in Venice, California. I'm one of the co-founders of Yellow Leaf Hammocks, which is a social enterprise dedicated to spreading relaxation and positive impact around the world. Our products are so beautiful and so special, but we were having a hard time figuring out how to get that value proposition across on Google, where it feels like sometimes it's just a matter of, whoever spends the most money wins. We'd experimented with PPC campaigns. Based on the conversion rates and the costs and the competition, we didn't see how they were ever going to work for us. We had never worked with a Google agency because we didn't find anybody before Solutions 8 that we thought would be profitable and a great partner. Instead of just pouring ad dollars into Google and hoping that whatever came out the other side worked, I could tell Solutions 8 was dedicated to monitoring each step of the process and looking at the campaign holistically. Solutions 8 is a perfect partner for you if you're a busy founder and you want to have some quick check-ins, come up with some ideas, and they're going to run with it and turn that nugget of an idea into something really profitable. It's amazing because we can really clearly see the value of $1 in, and the return on investment that it's generating is enough to keep us constantly expanding and scaling campaigns.